So let's continue from the previous video. So what I'm going to do is simply double click on my move tool. I'm going to make sure my soft selection is on. 0.65 is fine for now. I can use more if I want to, and let's move this out of the way over here. Let's make some more room, and let's see around 1, 2, and 3 levels. So maybe on this time I'm just gonna use like 4 different rows over here, maybe even here, and just making sure everything is selected right. And all I'm gonna do is just quickly push them inside right here, and then select these guys and push them in, and then select the entire thing and just push those guys in. And let's say I've made enough room right now, so we can always reshape them, remember that. What I'm going to do is just right click. This is just one way of doing it. Again, so many different ways of polygon modeling, and just delete that, and I can pretty much just select, let's deselect the soft selection at this time, we don't need it, and close that and get some more screen real estate. I can pretty much select these two faces and try the bridge option, and the bridge kind of does that right now, and it's really not working right, but we can get to a point where we can also extrude this and then do a bridge. So kind of give it, what we can do is we can just take this face and I can extrude it and kind of give it that angle, and you can see that it's not looking right now. So I can even click on that little blue disc and scale it, and if that's not going right, what we can also do is just move this in, move this in, move this in, so it's nice and flat. One more way to approach this is I can even draw like a curve right here and extrude this along a curve. In fact, that might also be a great option at this point. So let's first try the bridge option. Let's take this, and like I said, let's extrude it first. And flatten it that way, and move it down, and also do this. Now we might also have to go back and fix a few points before we start doing anything. So let's go and fix a few points over here. Let's go and fix this guy. And like I said, you'll have to reshape a lot of things. So let's do this. Let's also scale these guys. And at this point, if I go here and select this, and if I just do a bridge with our smooth path plus curve option, let's do reset setting and let's do smooth path plus curve. That's what I get, and that's not bad at all. All it requires right now is reshaping, a lot of reshaping actually. You can see, because this is really thick over here, and in our original one it's really not that thick. So that's just a matter of pretty much going here one by one. So I'll select this row right now, and let's show our status line, not status line, I'm sorry, show our channel box, and let's hide this guy. And just a matter of scaling it right now, and I can even go cycle with the up and down arrow keys to select the next row. So let's go back. Just want to make sure I'm scaling the right ones. Okay, so let's say if I selected these, and let's scale them in, and let's go right here, scale these guys in, and that's just at one level right now. I can go back, scale these guys in, scale these guys in, and in fact I can even select these guys and scale them in this way, down arrow key, or if my selections are not working, I can just manually just go and select them, just this way. So just a matter, like I said, just a matter of shaping everything. Looks like I messed up a little bit over there. That's nothing, no big deal. I can even undo at this point. So just a matter of shaping everything and getting everything to look right so that it matches the other bottle. But that's just one way of doing this. And I'm not gonna start shaping everything right now, but you'll have this file. So in fact, you guys can shape it and make it look exact. Or it doesn't have to be exact, but make it look so that it resembles like this bottle and you can hold it. So again, like I said, it's just a matter of shaping these points over here right now. And overall, I would shape the entire bottle as well. Just you can also just double click on these edges and move them out, and double click on these guys. Let's say this one right here and this one, shift select and move them out. So nicely shape everything, I would say. And you can even deselect some of the top edges if you want to. But that's just one way of doing this. And the others are pretty similar if you watch. Like there's that detergent bottle. Actually, here's the milk jug, which is again very similar to what we just did. And let me just unhide everything over here. And then there's this guy over here, which is the plastic jug, which is again very, very similar. And let's see one of the other guys which are not similar in the next video.